We got some breaking news from the Fed with the minutes being released. Steve Liesman has the details. Steve?
Thanks very much. Fed officials said current monetary policy was moderately restrictive, allowing the committee to take a more cautious approach until the effects of government policies were more clear. The committee said they were well positioned to wait for more clarity on inflation and economic outlooks. The risk for higher inflation and higher unemployment both had risen. And remember, this meeting came before the May 12th relaxation of those China tariffs. Almost all participants were concerned about more persistent inflation from the tariffs, and also they were concerned about the difficult trade-off if inflation was persistent and you had weaker growth. On the issue of weaker growth, the staff saw weaker growth in 2025 and 2026. The Fed said ultimately the effects of changing government policy and impact to the economy were highly uncertain. That word uncertain comes up quite a bit here. Certainly about the economic outlook, almost all participants noted the risk of inflation could prove more persistent, and they assessed tariffs on intermediate goods could lead to more persistent inflation. Guys, I think I'll leave it there. I'm just looking through more of these headlines. They really amount to the same thing. Some participants saw businesses limit hiring because of the elevated uncertainty. Several members noted downbeat sentiment among manufacturers. A few members commented that retailers were downbeat due to perceived tariff impact. But I guess what we don't know is how much the world has changed since May 12th. Then the threat of the European tariffs put on, taken off. I think the uncertainty is high, but maybe the immediate danger of tariffs has abated a bit, guys.